Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by forcing a clean state. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts off, then press to restart. Next, make sure your network is stable. Wired Ethernet is preferred because wireless can drop packets. Check storage space and remove a game or use an external drive if you have less than 5% free. Once done, navigate to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Updates to trigger the update. This initiates the process without delays. Now focus on the core fixes. Clear stuck update data by using console info right arrow, reset right arrow, choose reset, and keep my games and apps, which removes corrupted update cache without wiping content. If the console still won't update, prepare an offline USB update using the official files on a FAT32 drive. This bypasses your network. Meanwhile, reboot your modem and router. And if DHCP keeps timing out, assign a static IP to the Xbox to prevent address conflicts. Finish by installing the update and watching the progress bar carefully. Do not unplug or power off the console during firmware installation, or you risk bricking. After the reboot, verify system and network firmware versions in settings to confirm success. If the update still fails, try an alternate network or use the offline USB method again. One key troubleshooting tip: note the exact error code shown and provide it when contacting support, because that code pin.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.